A lot of people face a lot of challenges when it comes to beard growth, right? So I know everyone understands this, that when you want to grow a beard, it's not easy, it's hard. There are some things that you're supposed to do if you want to grow a beard. The first thing is you want to start using a beard growth oil. The second thing that you want to do if you want to grow a beard faster is to make sure that you clean your face, you take care of your face. It's very important if you want to grow a beard. It's very important that you take care of your face. There's also something that I've been doing to improve my beard growth. I've been using a lemon to actually exfoliate my skin. I've used a lemon for 5 days in 5 weeks. Every week I use a lemon once to exfoliate my skin. If you are on a low budget like me, you can use a lemon to actually exfoliate your skin. The third thing that you want to do to make sure that your beard grows faster is to make sure that you start exercising. If you don't exercise, you're not going to see your beard growing faster. Your beard is going to grow slowly and you're not going to see the results that you want. Exercising doesn't mean that you need to go to the gym. Just run or just go for a walk alone. Other people won't just grow a beard because in their genes they don't have beard genes. Even if you don't have the genes that support beard growth in you can still do something to be able to grow a beard. Exercising, eat right, your diet also matters. Make sure that your diet is very on point. If you want to grow a beard, subscribe to this channel and don't forget to ask me a question if you want to ask me anything about beard growth and what products I use or anything about beard growth, don't forget to comment down below. Ask me any questions and I will respond to you with a video.